Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to enable live chat on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it in. Now, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. Then, click on the Shopify App Store to explore available apps. In the search bar, tap Live Chat and press Enter. Now, you'll see a list of live chat apps. Find and click on Chatty, AI Chatbot and Live Chat. Next, click on the Install button. Then confirm again by clicking on Install. Now, you'll be asked to answer a few setup questions. First, select the option that best describes your business. Then choose the channels you sell on, like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or your website. After that, select the number of support agents on your team. Now, click on Let's Get Started. Here, you can either start setting up your custom AI assistants or skip the same step. Then choose a pricing plan that fits your needs. Basic at $19.99, Pro plan at $49.99, or Plus at $199. For now, let's continue with the free option. Now, you will land on the dashboard where you can check an overview of your store's performance, including total conversations, resolution rate, assisted revenue, and chat sale rate. Then, click on Sync Store Data to connect your product and customer data. Once syncing starts, click on Customize your AI assistant. Now click on Customize again. Here, enter your assistant's name and a welcome message. Then choose the assistant's personality and the response length. Finally, fill in the general instructions and any other necessary information they ask for. That's it. Your live chat is now set up and ready to help customers on Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.